Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I am planning a kawaii Rilakuma themed spread in my weeks and wanted to plan with you guys again. Here I am using stickers that I found from Daiso, which I did in my Daiso haul if you haven't seen that video. But I wanted to go with kind of like a purple, pink, kind of a cutesy theme to brighten up the week. And starting out with some washi tape. Oh, and I also found this craft sticker paper from Daiso, which I thought would be a nice layering piece underneath some of the washi tape. I think this tape is from Michaels. I got it a while ago, so it's kind of an older design, but very, very cute. It has these cute little hearts, so I thought that would be perfect for this kawaii theme. If you're new to planning with me, well, I typically like to choose the stickers first and then go in with a washi tape that matches. So that's usually my order of events. And I found this cute little note paper that I wanted to stick in to do my to-do or shopping list, also from Daiso, and I thought it'd be a cute little accent to the paper. And I really like layering different pieces of paper. I think it adds a lot to the spread. Sorry, I had a fan going, so I think I shut it off at this point. But here are some really cute Post-its, which I thought were just so adorable. Again, layering it on. Typically, I use some kind of adhesive tape under Post-its. I only had glue dots at this point, so at that point I decided to use some blue washi tape to kind of stick the bottom of the Post-it down. Otherwise, it'll lift, and that can get kind of annoying over time. Again, these stickers were from a store called Daiso, and they were $2 per sheet, which I thought was amazing considering how adorable they are. And as you can see, just by adding a couple stickers and some washi tape and maybe some paper, it already makes the right side of my page look so cute and just ready for the week. So very happy with how this was turning out at this point. I don't typically add in pieces of note paper, but I had been seeing some cute spreads on Instagram and Pinterest and was like, oh my gosh, I should definitely add in some of the new pieces that I got. So adding in some washi tape to the left side of my spread here, and then trying to figure out what stickers I wanted to add to the rest of my theme here. And oh, I decided to open up the second washi tape to use this cute polka dot Post-it paper. And I think I added that in. There's me adding some of the glue dots. I'd suggest the adhesive tape. It's a lot easier to use than glue dots. And then I also found this sort of translucent Post-it paper from Daiso as well. There are different shapes and colors that they offer in store. I only picked up this semicircle triangular one, but I think I'm gonna go back and get more because I didn't realize they'd be translucent. So I think they're a really nice layering piece and spreads. So this week I plan mostly with my mild liners and my micron pens in the size 01 and 03. Here I spelled labor wrong. I'm not exactly sure how that happened, but correcting it right away with some correction tape here. I guess maybe I got distracted or something, but there we go. And one of my favorite lettering techniques in my Hobonichi is to kind of write out the word in a color and go in with a fine lined black pen and kind of cursive it in on top. I think it looks really, really cute. I'm using my stencil set from my Etsy shop, the Hobonichi Weeks one, to kind of do most of the banners and headers in this week. And I think it just added a lot of cuteness to the spread. For me, if I do sort of freehand, sometimes works, but it looks less neat, so I much prefer using stencils to help make the spreads look very clean. And if you look on the top left corner of those notes section, that's actually where I jot down what I'm doing in the week, mainly because I don't have like a big chunk of time until the middle of the week to do planning. So I kind of just jot down notes of what's happening each day, and then when I get a nice group of time to plan, I bring my little notepad out and I enter it nicely into my planner, which I think is very relaxing and has been working for me really nicely. So, I mean, everyone's different. Some people plan per day, but I like to kind of do it all at once. It kind of makes it a little bit more cohesive. And yeah, so using these little honey stickers here to designate a work day. I was actually looking for something like a cup of coffee or like a teapot, but I guess in the real Akuma sheets, the honey was the closest thing I could find, so I added that in. Another thing you can do with the stencils is kind of add a drop box, sort of shifting the stencil slightly to the left and down to your original box, and that creates a nice little highlight or shadow. But yeah, I decided this week to go with a very like bright, uplifting theme, just because it's just been so gloomy and dark. I live in California and we have been having a lot of fires, and it has been really strange outside. Like the air has been really poor quality, and yesterday the sky was like a brown orange tint, and it was just strange. Like all day it looked dark outside even though it was like noon. It looked like it was like 8 p.m. So yeah, I thought, okay, I'm gonna go with like a really bright theme to kind of brighten up this week. So just kind of going in here, adding some headers and banners around some of the things I wanted to highlight to make it look pretty cute. And yeah, just kind of planning around. So I guess I'll put on some music and keep planning. So if you guys enjoyed watching this kind of video, let me know, and I'll continue to do the weekly plan with me's. I'm contemplating filming maybe bullet journal ones too, but haven't decided just yet. Oh yeah, before I stop talking, I wanted to see what you guys picked up from the Hobonichi release. The 2021 Hobonichis that were just released, and yeah, I know it was like really exciting. Some people order from the Hobonichi website directly from Japan, others waited until the 8th of September to order from Jet Pens. I actually ordered from Jet Pens myself just because that's what I've been doing each year. And typically it's kind of confusing on the Hobonichi website for me. For some reason, certain things aren't released until certain days, and by the time the one I want is released, the ones from the previous days are sold out. So it's kind of like I don't know, it's a little tricky. But I did place an order for another week's, as that is kind of my go-to planner. I don't do the mega just because I don't do many notes on the end of the planner, so I thought weeks is just perfect. It's what I've been using for a couple years. And I was thinking of, well, actually I did pick up the 5-year Hobonichi planner because I was thinking of doing like some kind of memory planning, jotting down like a line a day. I wish I had started it sooner, especially now that we have our son, but you know, I was like, it's better late than never. So yeah, I'm really excited for my 5-year planner to arrive. I did not pick up a cover, I just got the brown original version. So if you guys know where I can find a nice 5-year planner Hobonichi cover, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to check it out. All right, I will talk to you guys later and see you in my next video. Thanks.